We're in for a treat today. We have an exceptionally nice 1968 Camaro with the Rally Sport Super Sport. It's got a built 454 fuel-injected motor under the hood, a 4-speed, factory gauges, outstanding fit and finish. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is a really nice fit and finish on this car. I've just been admiring it before we got started. It's red glass. Obviously, as the metal cowl hood, the lines are square, flush, absolutely laser straight. This fender's pristine, all absolutely way down to the bottom, under the bottom. It's clean, not even getting my hands dirty. The gap's real nice, no door dings, no bubbles. No issues. The jams are slick. Shuts real nice. No vinyl top. All nice, smooth, slick. No cracks, no issues. All the way under the quarter panel. Clean. All nice. Trunk fits beautifully. It's got the rear spoiler. All this is excellent. It's a red mirror everywhere I look. All the way down here. If you see my reflection in my hand, it's a red mirror. Even right tight around this molding, all nice and clean. Under the trim, way down at the bottom, all real nice. Same thing going up here, no issues. Fit and finish is excellent on this car. The nose stripe is painted on properly. It's under the clear, it's smooth to the touch. New windshield, the rest of it's good original glass. It's the Rally Sport, which has the hideaway lights, but also includes this extra trim. A little bit of extra that comes with the Rally Sports. You have the hideaway lights that open and close, a front spoiler, and everything up here looks real nice. The grille, the bumper, the emblems, all looks real sharp. All the moldings, marker lights, they were all replaced so that they're just sparkling, all straight and shiny. Even the trim around the car, and it all fits. It's real nice and flush. It's all straight and shiny. The rain gutters, door handles, all real nice. 15-inch rally wheels. They're skinny in front, fat in back, and they all four are wearing Mickey Thompson tires. In back, it's a meaty, grippy type of tire. This thing is a powerhouse. Then we have the blacked out SS panel, tail lights, bumper, gas cap all replaced. It has the reverse lights down below. That's also part of the Rally Sport package. So why don't we open it up and see what's inside and under that hood. All right, let's see what's inside the trunk. All nice and clean. It has a trunk light. The jam is slick. The weather strip works. Inside is all nice, clean metal with a spatter finish. Nice fitting rubber trunk mat. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as these videos are posted. Door jams are painted nice. The sill plates and weather strips are replaced. Looks like it's a new reproduction interior, including the door panels there and the armrest and window cranks and handles. All nice dash. Look at the knobs and the vents, and everything's nice and clean. The speedometer, the tachometer with the clock in the middle. Your dash pad. It looks like new heater control panel, a retro stereo. It fits right in the factory hole. You got all the gauges in the console. All this is nice, clean. Everything's fitting real nice. A lever for the vents hooked up. You got some real nice carpet with embroidered mats. All fits real nice. The center console has the 4-speed shift indicator with the Hurst shifter. This all looks new. Original GM seat belts. The seats are reupholstered real nicely. All this is clean and tidy, has the correct seat belts. Got mats, you got more seat belts, all nice upholstery, all been redone. The side panels, window cranks, it's all been replaced. Has some 6x9 kicker speakers in the back to go with that stereo. All the trim back there is real nice. The headliner's been replaced. along with matching visors. Looks like the mirror might have been replaced as well. And that is a new deluxe steering wheel. So very clean, very tidy interior, very nice. Has some nice features. Yeah, we got a built 454 motor. It's got stainless roller rockers, got a dual plane aluminum intake. There is a fuel injection system hiding under that air cleaner. MSD distributor in back. Up on top it's functional, that cowl induction, the seal goes right up to the hood there. And you got some long tube headers, nice chrome valve covers. The whole engine bay is nice and clean. The hoses and the clamps and everything's proper. They did put an aluminum radiator in here. Has the shroud, has the new clutch fan, new pulley. All the brackets, everything's real nice. Chrome support bars. Alternator looks fresh. We got power brakes. Wiper motor looks fresh. Squirters are hooked up. Yep, all looking really good. Michael's going to demonstrate how that bad boy runs. We'll see in a few minutes.
Everybody got a mean little Camaro here, 454 under the hood, Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. Sounds great. Fuel injection on this thing for turnkey reliability. I've been sitting in our showroom for a little bit and it fired right up. Got a nice clean idle on it and just a nasty mean sounding exhaust that I absolutely love. Just like all the cars that come here into the museum, this one was inspected by our shop. We had a small service bill on it, about $1,400, and yeah, it was really dialed in. And if you need all the details of that, go ahead and contact our sales department or check for the listing on our website. Yeah, it's got functioning cowl induction on it. That's pretty cool. Tachometer. It looks like all the gauges are working. Fuel, oil pressure, temperature, showing a charge, everything like that. Let's see what she's got. And just like that, up to 60 miles an hour with absolutely no issue at all. Yeah, got a lot of power. Really felt the pull there. Just a really fun experience. That exhaust, you cannot beat that. Sounds really tough, super cool. Let's get one more rev. I could do that all day. Yeah, if you want to come test drive it yourself, you're more than welcome here at the museum. Contact our sales department with about a day's notice. We'll have the car ready for you. We'll even put it up in the air if that's something that you want to do, so you can inspect the undercarriage. And other than that, check out the full listing, pictures, and description on our website, volocars.com.
Underneath is very nice. First of all, the floors and all the metal is just like a chalkboard, just smooth, clean, like a satin black. They're not pitted or cut up, or just very nice, clean metal. All of the suspension, steering, front and back, that all looks like it's been rebuilt. It has disc brakes in front. That system's been all redone. The e-brake cables are even new. All new fuel system updated for the fuel injection, which is a sniper, by the way. It's a sniper EFI, has the digital screen in the glove box. Nice fat dual exhaust system. It sounds great. Don't remember, but I think it has Flowmaster mufflers. You look up at the motor, it's clean Chevy orange. There's only 12 or 1300 miles on this car since it's been done. High torque starter, the M20 Muncie 4-speed and all the linkage. It just looks brand new. It's a 12-bolt rear end with Mosier axles. I think they're 31 spline and 355 posi gears. So this is a high quality car with some nice features, and it's a powerhouse. This thing's going to be some fun. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman, ask him your questions, including how to get your 68 Camaro delivered home. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.